Good everyone, my name is Alvin Singh B. Magdalao, BS Agriculture first year. We're here to discuss the importance of understanding self in my future career as an agriculturist. The importance of understanding self in my future career as an agriculturist is to develop ourselves and also to learn about what is the important in agriculture. As an agriculturist, it is not also about plants, animals, and environmental. It is also about industry and agricultural. It helps, and also it helps the areas and focuses the development